In 26th April 2nd, morning shift, one question is asked in sequences and series. Like in 10th class also, in 10th it is called progressions, and sequences and series in the higher mathematics concept. Now what is given in this problem? Sigma k equal to 1 to n ak, 6n cube. Then what is the value of k equal to 1 to 6 ak plus 1 minus ak by 36 whole square? What is this value? That is the problem given. Now, this is what k equal to 1 to n ak means Sn is equivalent to 6n cube. Sum of n terms of this sequence. Sum of n terms is 6n cube. Then, what is sum of n minus 1 terms? 6 of n minus 1 whole cube. Suppose if you need the kth term, what is the nth term? Nth term means what here? We have to represent the nth term as an. An is always equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms, what you get? 6n cube minus 6 into n minus 1 cube. So if you take 6 common, then what you get? N cube minus n minus 1 whole cube. Now you have to simplify it. 6 into a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is what? A minus b into a square plus ab, n into n minus 1 plus b square, n minus 1 whole square. So here the concept is a cube minus b cube is equivalent to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I used this formula because in algebra formulas are very important. Now you have to, this is what? 6 into n and n are get cancelled, becomes 1. And here what you get? n square plus n square minus n plus n square minus 2n plus 1. Now that is equal to 6 into n square plus n square plus n square, 3n square minus n minus 2n minus 3n and plus 1. This is nth term in this sequence. An. Now what is the problem? You need ak plus 1 minus ak. That means in place of k, if I expect an, then what is an plus 1 minus an? To find this value, you write like this. Then what you get? 6 into 3 times n plus 1 whole square minus 3 times n plus 1 plus 1. That is an plus 1 term. Minus an means what? 6 into 3n square minus 3n plus 1. And this is equal to what? 6 into, expand it, 3 into n square plus 2n plus 1 minus 3n minus 3 plus 1 minus 6 into 3n square minus 3n plus 1. Now here what you get? This is the term. 6 into 3n square plus 6n plus 3 minus 3n minus 3 plus 1 minus 6 into 3n square minus 3n plus 1. Now this is equivalent to what you are getting, the expansion minus 3 plus 3 are get cancelled. This is what? 6 into 3, 18 n square. 6n minus 3n, this is plus 3n, plus 3n into 6 plus 18n plus 6. Here what you get? Minus 18n square minus into minus plus 18n minus 6. Now plus 6 minus 6 are get cancelled, 18n square are get cancelled. Then what you get? 18n plus 18n, 36n. Now from this what you get? an plus 1 minus an by 36 is always equivalent to n. This is what is required in this sequence. Now this is this value. Now from this, what you are going to do? Now I need sigma for this one. This implies sigma over k is equivalent to 1 to n a k plus 1 minus ak by 36 whole square is always equivalent to, here square, sigma is equivalent to 1 to n k square. Because if you take whole square, n square is required. That means you need sigma n square value. What is sigma n square value? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the ultimate value for this one. Here, what is given? Here I write sigma k equivalent to 1 here. Put n is equivalent to 6. Put n equivalent to 6, what you get? Sigma k is equivalent to 1 to 6. A k plus 1 minus a k by 36 whole square. Now this value is equal to what? As for derivation of this one, 6 into, in place of n you write 6 in this concept. That means what? 6 into 6 plus 1 into 2 into 6 plus 1 by 6. 6 and 6 are get cancelled. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then 6 and 6 are get cancelled. What you get it is 7 into 13. 7 into 13, what is its value? 70 plus 21, 91. Therefore, answer for this problem is 91. That is the answer for this problem. It is very important and easy. 10th level only. But simplifications are must for you. And remember standard formulas. Thank you.